Welcome to Ask. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to return the n largest and n smallest numbers from our list. We can use the heap q module. With this module, we can easily return the largest n largest numbers using the n largest method. The method takes two arguments, the iterable objects and the number of numbers we want to return. So in our example, we are going to pass in 3 because we want to return the three largest number from our list. So this will be our list of numbers. And some numbers. And we are going to use heap q, so we need to import that. Import heap q, and here we're just gonna print the result. And this will be print heap q dot n largest, and we are going to pass in 3 to so we can get a list of three largest numbers from our list, and we are going to pass in our number list. Again, run our script. Here are our largest number from our list. And similar way we can find the n smallest. So we are going to use the same list, and we're just going to use this statement, copy it, and we are going to modify, and we are going to use n smallest instead of n largest. Smallest. And run our script again. And here are the three smallest number from our list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.